So it's really easy now to start making money just by taking photos on your mobile phone. And I just downloaded this application like 2 days ago, and I got this email. This email, it shows exactly that this application is paying a decent amount of money to different people who can download this application and start taking pictures, uploading on this application, and starting to get paid. I will tell you what this email is all about this application, and I'm gonna show you all the process for you to start making money just by taking photos on your mobile phone. The good thing about this is that this is like the easiest way for you to start making money in 2024. The good thing about this application also is available all over the world. So you have to listen to me and see how this application works. You need to go to Apple or Play Store, then you have to search for this application, which is called FOP. Then this application will show up. Then you have to download this application, and you have to open this application, as you can see here, and you can start making money just by downloading this application. And you're just going to create your account, which it usually takes like 2 minutes, and you have to write your username here, your password, your email, and now we are officially user of FOP. This is application that is going to pay us just by taking photos on our mobile phones. Right after joining on this application, this is how your application will look like. All you want to do right now is for you to click right here for you to start selling photos from your mobile phone. And they may need to know a little bit about you, like the country that you're living right now and stuff like that. You can just lay there, and you need to start choosing any good photo on your mobile phone. Let's say that you love taking photos about families. You can just start in uploading these photos that you have on your mobile phone. Just be creative. You have to make sure that you are choosing very amazing photo from your mobile phone. It can be trees photos or any photo that you have on your mobile phone, and you think you can sell these photos to this application. So you can write anything about your photo right here. It can be about your tags like Africa, natural, anything related to your photo, you have to write it down here. And for you to check how much you're just going to make on this application, or how much you have made on this application, you have to come back right here. Then you have to click on the top left, then scroll down, and then you have to click right here the place which is written as withdraw money. On this application, you can withdraw starting $5. So let's say that you're just going to sell your photo for $5, and after reaching this amount of money, you can just withdraw this kind of money that you have got from this application. So there are a lot of people making decent amount of money on this application. There are a lot of people who are selling their photos up to $10, up to $5, up to $20. It just depends on how good your photo is. So you have to be creative for you to start making like decent amount of money from this application. And I'm going to tell you about this email that I received it right after I joined on this application. So apart from uploading and selling these photos on this application, there is this category which is called FOP Mission, and if you join on this category, you can be able to earn more than $1,000 just from this application. So this is like the best way for you to start making money in 2024. All you want to do is you have to go to FOP, and you have to click this place which is written as FOP Mission. So how does FOP Mission works? These missions are created by various brands or companies that they are looking for unique images or unique pictures, especially for their marketing purpose. So if you join on this mission and your photo is going to be selected, you can earn up to $1,000, because on this mission there are a lot of competition of great people who are capturing good photos. It's really good for you to be creative. That means that you can make up to $1,000 just by taking photos and join on this mission, and you can earn that kind of money. People are making up to $1,000 just by joining on this mission. So this is like the best way for you to start making a decent and a reasonable amount of money this year. So if you think you are really good at taking pictures, and if you're not that good of taking pictures, you can just go ahead and try to sell different pictures, because there are too many people who are looking for amazing pictures on this application. So who knows, you can be the one who can sell these pictures to them. So you can just go ahead and join on this application and try to sell different pictures that you have on your mobile phone. And I just want to tell you, you just need to be more creative for you to start making like decent amount of money, because you can have like a lot of chances and opportunity for you to start making more than $1,000, but you just have to make sure that you take unique pictures that no one else does. So this is like the most trusted brands I know, and this platform is working with different big brands all around the world. So you have to go ahead and try to take pictures from your phone and start selling on this application. I think that this is the easiest way for you to start making money online this year 2024. So thanks so much for watching my videos. I hope that you have enjoyed. I hope to see you next time.